Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Alright, today we are cooking something super fancy Italian carbonara, the kind of pasta that makes you feel like you are in Rome, even if you are actually in your kitchen in India with your mom glaring at you for bringing pork home. I've just kept the packet hidden from my mother, else, I would have been slashed into pieces. Well, traditionally, carbonara is made with guanciale, that's Italian cured pork cheek, and Pecorino Romano cheese. But since I'm in India and those things are not available, thus I'm using bacon instead of guanciale and Parmesan cheese instead of Pecorino. Yes, I know Italian grandmas might faint, but it still tastes amazing. First things first, the preparation. The real deal is the creamy sauce made without cream. In a bowl, take 2 whole eggs and 1 extra yolk. That's your secret weapon for silky texture. Add a generous handful of grated Parmesan and lots of black pepper. Whisk it till smooth. It will look like cheesy custard, but don't panic, that's exactly right. Now let's talk bacon. I have chopped around 150 grams, not too tiny, not too chunky. Put it in a pan, no oil needed because bacon brings its own delicious fat party. I have added 2 smashed garlic cloves while cooking the bacon and afterwards discard them. Fry it on medium heat till golden and crispy. The aroma alone will make your neighbors wonder what's cooking and question their life choices. Once it's crisp, lower the heat and keep the fat. That's liquid gold. You can also add a teaspoon in the egg cheese mixture. Well, we won't be using any salt cause both bacon and cheese have salt in it. The only salt is added while boiling the pasta. Now, let's boil your spaghetti. Use a big pot, unlike me. Salt the water like the sea, not like your tears after overcooking pasta last time. For 3 people, 250 to 300 gram pasta is perfect, but since I eat like a Roman goddess on weekends, I am making for 4 just in case. Cook it al dente, that means slightly firm because it will keep cooking in the sauce later. Now your pasta is ready, bacon is smiling, time to marry them. Toss your hot drained spaghetti into the pan with bacon, mix for a few seconds. Now quickly turn off the heat or your eggs will turn into scrambled breakfast. Pour in the egg cheese mix slowly while tossing or stirring continuously. Add a splash of hot pasta water little by little until it turns into a glossy, silky sauce. If it's too dry, add a spoon more water. If it's too runny, toss it a few seconds more of heat. You'll know it's perfect when it looks like creamy gold. Serve it hot. Top it off with more cheese, a sprinkle of pepper, maybe a bit of parsley if you want to impress your crush or your Instagram followers. And yeah, lastly, drizzle that stored bacon fat on top of the carbonara, and there you go. My fearless Indian carbonara. Creamy, rich, comforting, and totally worth the judgmental looks from your way. If you like this video, hit the like button because trust me, my courage to cook bacon in an Indian household deserves at least one like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more international drama from an Indian kitchen. See you next time with another gutsy recipe. Until then, stay hungry and stay brave. Till then, take care and bye bye.